mga special birthday tasks.
Hey, hey, let's just do it. I'm doing. She loves just wanna see you smile.
Para naman sa mga magluluto, may inimbitahan si Kuya.
Magluluto kayo ng spicy chicken stew at saka isa pa yung brown seaweed soup. May inimbitahan akong bisita na tuturuan kayo.
Nasa apartment ang Ate Sarah at Ate Jenny ni Sofia na siyang magtuturo kay Frizzy at Trisha ng pagluluto ng favorite Korean dish ng ating birthday girl. Maririnig sila ng dalawang cook sa pamamagitan ng tinatawag na override. Isang gadget na parang earphones na parang ganito. Hello, yes, Roger, copy that. Yeah, insert.
Get the chicken first and wash the chicken. And pwede nyo na i-chop yung chicken into smaller pieces.
Booty shake!
Sabihin na lang natin, we both studied Korean, kaya tayo yung pinili.
Meron kayong recipe, sheet? Walang recipe sheet?
Wala.
Paano nyo ginagawa?
Wala lang.
Ano to? Kamdetang? Anong tawag dito? Kamdetang?
Kamsatang.
What's this?
Yeah. Wala.
It's okay, you're still pretty.
Ay, wait. Hindi daw pwede mag... Ano, dito.
How do you know how to cook?
Me, nag-start lesson. Favorite ko kasi to. Alam ko to.
Galing.
Imitate nga kung okay na yung laso. You have to get the biggest piece of kimchi.
Wala. Puro nga.
Then taste it. Kung okay na yung
Kimchi lang yata kinakain mo. Sarap.
Patikim na ulit, hindi ko alam.
Okay na yan. Tapos, kunin nyo lang yung seaweed, itapon nyo na yung tubig.
Paano man lang?
Ha?
How do you know?
We both studied Korean.
Kailan?
Before I got here. Kaya kami yung pinili.
Oh!
Ow!
Sorry.
Stiff neck.
Sorry, I thought I heard something.
Ow!
Ano sa tingin nyo naging performance ng dalawa sa pagluluto?
Magaling. Yeah, very good po kuya. Magaling po sila.
Masarap. Ang galing niya, parang professional.
Salamat! Salamat!
Ang mga kakantang sasayaw, nagbihis na.
Wait lang, try it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait, like that. You look like Michael Jackson. Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You look like Michael Jackson.
Ang mga cook naghahanda na ring gisingin si Sofia.
Merong isang special gesture na ginagawa yung mga ate ni Sofia para kay Sofia.
I always touch your belly.
Parang lambing lang po.
Opo.
Like, ganyan.
So, gigisingin niyo siya sa pamamagitan ng ganon.
Good morning, princess.
Good morning, princess.
Good morning, princess.
Sofia,
Opo, kuya.
isang maligayang kaarawan muli sa iyo.
Thank you po, kuya.
Sophia, look.
Kimchi.
Talagang biyok-yok.
I was shocked. I thought everyone sleeping.
I heard some sound and then I thought I'm dreaming.
Habang ang binibihisa ng birthday girl. Kausap naman ni Kuya ang boys.
Bakit yung K-pop kasama si Undertaker?
Undertaker is white. Patrick and James look pretty. Patrick number 1, James number 2, me number 3. Oh, you're here. Who's number 1? My mom said lie is bad. Yeah, you're kind and you're smart and you're really good. You have 1 month, pero you're really funny.